Welcome back to Base Learning Academy. Today we are going to be exploring two powerful websites to help you find academic material for free to write your final year project. These tools are perfect for undergraduates working on their final year project, papers or seminars and research. It helps you to research more better, come up with better academic material. Without further ado, we're going to dive into. So the first one is Google Scholar. Google Scholar is very helpful in terms of academic articles, journals, theses, books for project works. So basically, as an undergraduate student, you have a project ahead of you. You want to write. You are stressed. You're looking for where to look for material. So the best place to go for your academic material is googlescholar.com. So you type if when you log into the website, you type you log into the website, you type your keywords of your project, that's the project topics you're going to type, then you will see a lot of materials from trusted sources, from different individuals and authors that have written, so they have done their project in similar areas to yours, so you can also save one of them or much of them so that you can use it for reference purposes. So let's dive into the practical aspect to the website, how to use Google Scholar for your project work. So let's type in Google Scholar on our browser. So I type in Google Scholar. So let's as this is the website, that's the Google Scholar. So you click on Google Scholar, this you are going to see this interface. Basically you type in your project topic. So let's assume I'm a mass communication student and I've been given a project topic on, or I choose my project topic to be the role of radio in shaping political awareness in Lafia, Nasarawa State. So I'll click on proceed search. So I've searched, so I've seen uh, similar material closer to what I'm looking for. So basically I'll quickly go into it and search it. So this is this material, International Journal of Advanced Multidisciplinary Research and Study. So it's basically the idea or the research is on radio shaping political awareness and a public perception of Nasarawa State. But mine is basically on Lafia. So, but I believe this material is going to contain most of what I need. So I'll download the material. So I've downloaded the material. Let me name it project. Let me name it project. So I've named the material. I've saved it as project. So having saved the material as project, I'll go back to the Google Scholar. So now there are a lot of material. You can download as many as you want for, but for the purpose of this tutorial, let's go with the first one we download, and this will lead us to the second most useful website to help you fathom out or write your material, your project in less than 2 days. So basically we are going to go to the site. So the name of the site is ChatPDF. So basically the name of the website is ChatPDF. So basically this is the website. So you click on the website, it's loading. So this is the website, it has been loaded. So basically what we're going to do is I'm going to upload my new the chat PDF is useful to, maybe probably to summarize your work, to write your project, to draft an outline chart, but also it can also give you a project is generating project outline the answers and guidance, or rather also even project content. So table of content, this ChatGPT is all capable of do it, and it is both for researchers and for students, and also for cited sources and for professionalism. So you can use it for, it's a multi-purpose chat website whereby you can use it to, it can be English, can be any other language, but basically we are going to be using it for our project topic. So let me upload the PDF I've downloaded on my project. So this is the PDF. So let me click OK. So it's loading already. So I'm going to see the project here. So it has been loaded. So this is the interface. This is how the chat PDF looks like. So you've uploaded your material or inside. So you are going to ask the AI or the website your questions. That's your project topic. So let me say I've copied my project topic, so I'll paste it. So I'll now ask you to write full project on this. So basically this the AI is loading the prompt I've given him. So he has loaded the prompt already. So this is the title of my project. The role of radio in shaping political awareness in Latvia. So introduction, you say in the vibrant democracy of Nigeria, political awareness among citizens is paramount for fostering informed blah blah blah. So you can read it there. So this is basically about my project. This is introduction, Latvia Natural State. So it also so the AI was able to generate my project for me, the a preliminary of my project, and also it went further to deal with the main body of the of the project, ranging from chapter 1 down to maybe probably chapter 5. So you also deal with the statement of the problem, the objective of the study. So the objective also is being included in my own project. So the literature review, okay, you also deal with that. Methodology, yes, the study, how the study can employ various methods in maybe administering or answering some specific question based on my project topic. So you also went to findings and discussion. You also give me a relevant, knowledge on that. So conclusion, we went to conclusion. You also recommend some areas that I will need to prioritize. That is, my goal there to find some findings. It also give me references. So basically, as an undergraduate student, this is what you are going to be writing in your project. You are all these things need to be included. So with Google Scholar and ChatPDF, you are good to go to write your project completely in less than a week. So basically, these tools are there to help us as an undergraduate student. So you basically need this AI or these tools in your course of study. So if you like this video, I would like you to to like the video. So basically this is all. So basically this is how the tools work. So I'll before then I would like to emphasize on one thing. So summary and recommendation. Before you write your project topic completely, make sure you combine local resources and global for a best result. Also verify the sources of information you are getting online. So you also use citations to maintain academic integrity. Most of your academic work, or that is your project, the lecturer needs to review it to see how integrity, how those maybe they do not involve in copywriting. So which of these websites have you used before, or which of them are you going to use first? So let me know in the comment section. Also, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell on our channel. Also, comment on your favorite platform, the one you like between the two the most. So stay tuned for more tips on tech education and productivity. So don't forget to follow us on YouTube Based Learning Academy for more tutorial like this.